So today I'm customizing a face mask. Well, it doesn't look this expensive. Now it does.
The official Apple mask.
First, I need to trace out the mask to get the space I'll be working on. Now I'm drawing out the space to add base layer. Okay, so base layer is done. Until it dries, I'll draw something in my sketchbook. I'm going to draw Buzz and Woody from Toy Story. Sketch is done, now it's time to ink.
I'm falling, fading down. Yes, I'm fading, like the winds we've been.
I'm little hungry, let's eat some fruit. And I'm done with it. I'll just click it and post it on Instagram. Let's get back to painting the mask. I'm using crazy graphite technique to get some grid lines on mask. Now it's time to paint.
Nearly gave you a heart attack. Thought I told you to watch your back. Never know what to expect down here. That's the only solid fact. Guess I'd rather be on vacation.
I'm drawing a Venom face with his tongue out dripping saliva.
Really have an explanation. So I found you.
Now it's time to draw the black lines.
Stay away, but see you here anyway. So yeah, guess you.
Benny's trying to say something. He wants to go out for a walk.
Not a good time to test my patience. And don't get in this.
Let's take him for a walk.
Yeah. Ooh, let's go. Wait. Hold up, Q.
We are back home. Let's keep working on it.
Top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to son these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, invite
We are almost done, but my stomach feels empty, so let's eat some watermelon. Eat lots of fruits if you want to live more than you should live.
Did you hear that?
I am the one, the way you're talking.
looking for the answers, they don't exist. Now where you gonna run? But no, you've got.
I'm finished customizing the mask. Enjoy the
No
reveal.
sympathy for the broken man. No, you better find your way. You better find your way. There are
And it turned out delicious.
only space for you in the trouble.